This is example 2 of lesson 4.1, and we are finding each absolute value. As you will, of course, remember from the vocabulary page, absolute value is the distance of a number from 0. How many steps away from 0 is the number in question? So we're looking at two specific numbers here. We're looking at -4, and we're looking at +3. So first, let's find -4 on our number line. Oh, look, it's right here. There's -4 on our number line right there. And the next question we ask is, how many steps away from 0 is -4? 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's 4 units. I can write units. 4 units away from 0. From here all the way to here is 4. So the absolute value of -4 is 4, because the absolute value is the distance of a number from 0. Let's look at number 3. 3. Let's find 3 on the number line. It's right here. It's positive, and it's right here. How many steps away from 0 is 3? 1, 2, 3. So from 0 to 3 is a distance of 3 units. So the absolute value of 3 is 3. Absolute value, you might notice here, is always positive, and that's because it's a measure of distance. Absolute value is always positive because it is a measure of distance. How far away from 0 is this number? -4 is 4 steps from 0. It doesn't matter if I'm taking those steps backwards to get to -4. They're still steps, and I can't count negative steps. Similarly, 3 is 3 steps away from 0. It takes me 3 steps to get from 0 to 3. Therefore, the absolute value of 3 is 3. The absolute value of 479, absolute value is 479. The absolute value of -36.7 equals 36.7, because that's how many steps it takes to get from 0 to that number. If it's negative, the absolute value is positive. If it's positive, the absolute value is also positive. And in case you didn't notice in the vocabulary page, absolute value is notated by these tall vertical lines on each side of the number. That just means absolute value, just like we know that if I have 4 to the power of 2, that's 4 squared. And it equals 4 times 4, which equals 16. Just like we know that this symbol here, these symbols here, these straight lines, means absolute value. So I would read this as absolute value of -4 equals 4. And that's it.